Hi guys, welcome back again. This is Danny, and today we are going to see about how to build a website using JavaScript. As you can see, without using the JavaScript, your website will not be a complete website. So now today in this video, we are going to see how to use JavaScript and where to use JavaScript, and what are the uses of JavaScript. As you can see, it's a simple website here, and I have included some important objects and some important stuff in this website. As you can see here, I have inserted a digital clock, and you can see the time. So this time is actually the time which is in my PC. As you can see here, the same the same time is running over here, and that's a separate function to display this time here. And here that's a button, and if I click the button, the background of the screen will change. So this screen color will be changing every time when I click this button. And here you can see here it's a function in which when I bring my mouse pointer over this image or over this sentence, so size of the sentence will be changing. So as you can see, now the size is small, and now when I bring my mouse over here over the sentence, so size is changing. And here one more stuff I have added here using the JavaScript, that is to change the location of the image. So in this picture I have just designed it to change the location of this picture towards right. That is nothing but incrementing the position towards right side. So when I click a button, so it will be moving towards the right side. It is incrementing, and when I click the stop button, it should stop. Here one more button to include some details over here. Here I have included a student record. As you can see, it's asking how many students. So here the aim is to create a student's record and to check how many of the students' date of birth is after 1980 and before 1980. So here I am giving 2 students. So it's asking for the name of the first name, last name, and here to enter the date of birth is 1999. Now second guy. So it's asking the date of birth, and now I'm giving 1979. So one of the guy I have entered have the date of birth above 1980, and one of the guy is below 1980. Let's see. As you can see, I have given 2 names, and after 1980 is one guy, that is 1999, and before 1980 it's one guy, that is 1979. So now let's go and see the source code of this program. So first let's see how to insert this date here. It's a function called date. So this is how you'll be writing the JavaScript program inside the script tag. So here in the function, I have just created a function called start time here, and inside it, there's an inbuilt function called date. It's a library function, and I'm just creating an object for this date function today. That is, the object is today, and I have created 3 variables, h, m, and s. So this h is this date function, this object of this function date, that is today. So today dot get hours. So it will be getting that specific hour, I mean the exact current hour, and it will be stored in h. And here get minutes in m, and get seconds in s. So here I am just printing it. So to print anything in JavaScript, we'll be writing it as a document.getElement by ID. So from the ID, that is it will be getting the element from this ID, that is text txt. This ID I have created so that it will be displayed here. So the text space over here So this text space id I have given is txt. So I'm just giving the text space id here txt, so that the date will be calculated, and the time, that is the digital clock, will be inserted in the text space called txt over here. So that's why it's here, that h, m, s. So the values that are in h, m, and s will be displayed here, and it should not be simply an idle one. So it should be changing by every second. So I have just given it as a set timeout. So this is used to change the thing by some regular intervals. So here I'm just giving which function to be repeated again. So that is start time function here, and for how many within how many time it is asking, that is 500 milliseconds. So that is 1 second per each, and now it's for digital clock. Now to change the size, I'm just here I'm giving this. So as you can see, now this is for time, and this check time function, this is nothing, this is not needed, but here why I have given is so that there will be two numbers here, 20, 51 and 50, because when it is a single digit number like 1, it will be displayed as 0, 1 like that. So that I have displayed this. So now to change this font size, there are two things, that is over the mouse and mouse out. So here when the mouse is over, I'm just using this function called increase, that is increment size. So in this function I'm just passing the paragraph here and changing the font style as font size 50 pixel. Okay, so this is so this function will be called when the mouse pointer is over the paragraph, and when the mouse pointer is out of the paragraph, this function will be called decrement size. So in this function I'm just passing the paragraph here, and I'm just setting the style font as font size is 28 pixel, so you can see here. So here here the paragraph is given. See, the paragraph is given as here. So in this para one, so this is the paragraph which I have given inside the p tag. See, inside the paragraph tag I have given this sentence. So I have given the paragraph an ID called para1. So this is the ID which I have been calling out here. So in this on mouse over, it's a function. So on mouse over, I'm calling a function called increment size. That is, when the mouse is over the sentence, I'm calling this function increment size, and when the mouse is out, I'm calling the function decrement size. So these functions are there in the script area. So now here to move this picture. So here I have inserted a picture. See, so this is the tag for inserting the picture. So I have inserted the picture, and here I'm creating two buttons called click to move and click to stop. So I have given two IDs. To move, I have given an ID called M. To stop, I have given the ID for S. We are giving this ID for each button, each paragraph, so that we can create the script for the specific button, and we can call this button by its ID over the script. So here to move, I have created a function called move here, as you can see. So in this function I have given all the logics to move the car, and to stop I have given a simple function over here in the script area. So this function is to stop. So that's all for this video.